I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select Action SureTriggers. Give here the webhook link. So go to the SureTriggers dashboard. Create workflow. Give here a meaningful name. Start building. Add trigger. Search and select webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the integration site. Body. Send all data. Applications/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. On the SureTrigger site, you can show the webhook executed responded. Save. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to SureTriggers site and click on the plus icon. Choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Create record. Choose connection. Select base. Select table. Map the respective fields. Test action. Action tested successfully. Save. Publish. Workflow is active now. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to the Airtable site. And you can see here the data came successfully in the Airtable via SureTriggers. Thanks for watching.